Hello, this is Jason from Jazz Studios, and today I have an unboxing video. I'm gonna do more in the future, but this is gonna be my first one, and it is of the Mortal Kombat Raiden from Collectables. As you can see through the box, it's a window-like view. You can see the figure and most of the accessories. On the side, it shows Raiden in his fighting stance, and it shows all the accessories that he comes with. You can pause here if you want to read a little blur, but no, I won't read it for you. And on this side it shows half of Raiden's face that also wraps around from the front. That's pretty cool. His face does look a bit off. And it's only for people my age. So let's get this. Big pause. Big pause. Comes with the backdrop that shows the phrase Mortal Kombat and the cute little dragon. That's the Mortal Kombat dragon. It also comes with instructions that tells you how to put on all the accessories, how to switch the heads, how to put on the fatality effects, all that good stuff. Not only did it come in a separate sheet of plastic, but it also comes in these little, bag-like sheets of plastic to keep the figure in mint condition. But you're just going to want to take those off. It'll reveal the figure and all the accessories, all the hands and the heads. But if you're going to want to take off this piece, you're going to have to move Raiden